Hey guys, welcome back to Bonnie B. Hawkins Creative TV. Okay guys, so here it is, my turkey wings. You guys can see that heat coming from the plate. Alright, again, thank you for tuning into my channel. And yes, and this is not exactly time for dinner yet, but I just want to show you that the turkey is done. And here we are, nice and tender. You guys get ready till you take the first bite. All right, guys, take the first bite. So again, thank you for tuning into my channel. Yes, and this is my turkey wing. So here's how I put it all together. Hi family, it's me, Bonnie, waving. Okay, guys, so today, welcome back to Bonnie B. Hawkins Creative TV. Guys, on today, I'm going to bake, broil, whatever you might want to call it. These are fresh turkey wings. Okay, I got 2 packs, and there's 2 in each pack. And so what I do, I'm going to cut these into individual pieces, as well as these into individual pieces, and then I'm going to put them in the oven, and I'm going to bake, broil, or whatever you might want to call it, this turkey. All right. Okay, so and the ingredients I'm going to be using, I got right here lined up on the back. You can see here. I'll go in a little more details about them as we go along. But here I'm going to get ready and cut up these turkey wings. And I'm going to cut an onion and put in the pot with it, in the pan with it. I'm using a roasting pan. I'll show you the pan that I'm going to be putting in this roasting pan, which I already have water in it, because I do put water in the bottom of my pans most of the time. Excess water, salt, or juices, I decide what I'm going to do with that. Okay, so I'm opening up my packs here, as you can see. Okay. And here is the turkey wings. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm going to pause you guys and be right back. Okay, guys, so now we're going to cut up these turkey wings. Okay, so let's get started. I know the camera's shaking. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and cut them up. Okay, so we got the last one here. Okay, so we got all the turkey wings cut up here. I'll put them on this little plate. We're going to move this and wash this off so I can do the onion, which I'll do after I'm finished with this little part right here. Okay, family, so now I've got all my turkey wings cut up. And I cut them in just as you just seen me do here. I cut them like this. I only cut like the drumstick part off. I went ahead and left the little end like that on, and there we are. The wings, I already cut a section off, which is like the drumstick section of the wing off, and left this portion together like you see here. And I'm going to use a little teeny bit of what's left of this vinegar, as you can see here, white vinegar. Okay. This is called the white distilled vinegar. I'm just putting a little teeny drop in there, as you guys want to see here. I'm going to pour a little drop in, like that. That's all that's necessary with that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my my turkey wings here in the pan, in the bowl to soak, rinse and soak. Okay. So I got this all squared away, and now I'm going to let these, I take my hand and kind of run it through the, a little bit, like, and wash it a little bit like that, working with this. But okay, so we're going to let this soak, okay, in here for a little bit. And then we're going to do the onion. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut up my onion. I'm just going to peel it and slice it. In slices, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and so I'm going to go ahead and slice the onion. Okay, so I got the onions all sliced. Be right back at you. Okay, guys, so now you see I got my onions all cut up here. And I'm going to put my pan of water here. This has a little water in it. It is my cast iron roasting pot. And here is, of course, my chicken that's been, my turkey that's been setting here in the pan here. I'm going to run some cold, rinse this off now and put some cold water over it. I'm going to rinse that off. Okay, guys, so I poured some cold water over it. Now I'm going to rinse this off. Wring this out. Alright, so I got that squared away. Now, guys, I'm going to put these turkey wings here in this pan, my roasting pan here. As you can see me doing right here. If you want to keep all your skin intact, you kind of pull your skin back towards the, over the chicken, the turkey or the meat, whatever you're cooking, whether you're cooking chicken or turkey or whatever. If you want to keep, to keep the juices from the skin on the turkey intact. I'm going to go ahead and stick some of the bigger pieces in, the tender pieces towards the middle is the best way to do that. And I call the tender pieces, usually I consider this part the tender piece. But this is okay. It'll be okay. So, okay, so we got all of the pieces here in the pan. Okay, I wash my hands. And so now, guys, we're going to go ahead and put the ingredients in here. Okay, I like to go ahead and put my onions on in because I'm going to put them to the side for the most part. Okay. And I would actually put the put it on my, I would actually season the meat first before I put the onions with like this on here. But for a reason that I want to be able to just go ahead and have it all done, I'm going to go ahead and put it all in down here. Okay, so we got that, as you can see. Wash my hands again. And, okay, so now, guys, you see we got this all together here, right? And now we're going to go, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys see it up closer. You can see it like that. All right, guys. And so now I'm going to go ahead and add my ingredients, guys. And I have the Lawry seasoned salt. Y'all, the video, when you see the names of this stuff, it may come out backwards, because sometimes, I don't know what's going on with my camera, but sometimes my camera will bring, will show this stuff backwards. But anyway, just in case, I may be able to reverse it, I don't know. But anyway, so here we go. So that's why I'm telling you what it is. It's the Lawry seasoned salt. Usually you just put in sprinkles of stuff so you don't have to say exactly what the exact measurements, because you're not measuring it. Okay, in this situation, a little bit of pepper according to how you guys like your pepper, because this has to go according to how you guys like it. Okay. Okay, guys, you can see here I got some Old Bay seasoning. It acts like it doesn't want to come out. So what I'm going to do is close that in and put a little bit on a spoon or something here. I'm going to put a little bit on from this end on the spoon. That's not much in here, so. So I'll put a little bit on the spoon, as you can see here. And you see what that is, the Old Bay seasoning. And you're just going to sprinkle it over. Uh-oh, it's still going in too fast. But anyway, first it was going in too slow, then it was going too fast. But that's enough. Anyway. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put a little teeny bit of this Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning from Louisiana. Okay. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit. Guys, you want to go light with this stuff. I'm actually going too heavy, but you gotta go very light with it. Okay, and we're gonna put a little bit of the parsley flakes. Okay, and we're gonna put a little bit of the onion powder. I would say this stuff amounts to like a teaspoon of each of these things, but in some cases it may be a little more. But that's basically it. So, okay, guys, so as you can see here, all of the ingredients that I was going to put in there, you got right here, okay? And then you can see, I'll put this up so you can see this. Alrighty. And then I'm going to sprinkle. Hey guys, so I usually do this towards the end, but I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit in here. Because I have water in the pan, it's okay to put it on here. You may not want to put your barbecue sauce on something that's going to be in the oven for a while, unless it's something that you're cooking that are supposed to have barbecue sauce on the thing, and it doesn't take long to cook. All right, but anyway, so I put a little dab of ketchup as well on there. Okay, guys, so everything that I'm going to put on here prior to cooking it is already on here, as you can see. Now, meet me at the oven. Well, okay, guys, so here I am now at my oven. I got it on 350, and I'm getting ready to put the turkey wings in. I'm going to put them in there for 45 minutes, and then I'm going to check them. But here you see, there's the turkey wings. Okay. I will hold it up a little bit so you guys can see it before I put it in close up. But there we are, guys. Our turkey wings. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and put that in here in the oven, as you can see here. And we're going to go ahead and put the top on it. We're going to leave it in for 45 minutes, and then we'll come back and check it. It's probably going to take longer than that, no doubt. But I always try to have a way of checking stuff that take an hour and more to cook. Most of the time I'll check it on the 45 minutes. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and put this back in here in a second. It's like once I get another glove or something to pot holder. See, I got a pot holder. Funny looking pot holder. And a little washcloth. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and push this back in the oven. Here, like that. Okay, and we're going to leave that in there for at least 45 minutes, and it's going to take probably an hour and a half or so. But this is just how I do things sometimes. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and close this oven up. Door up. Hey guys, we're going to be back at you later. Alright. God bless. It's me, Bonnie, from Bonnie B. Hawkins Creative TV. Well, okay, guys, so we're going to check and see if this turkey is ready. Okay. Sure looks like it's ready. Let's just see. Lift it up and show it to you guys, but first let me make sure that it's done. That's very tender. Yeah. Yes, it's definitely done. So I'm going to show you guys. Lift it up here and show it to you guys. Okay, so yes, the turkey is done. Alrighty, thank you for tuning into my channel again. And I'm going to make a little plate here. I'm not going to make a whole plate, I'm just going to put a piece on the plate so you guys can see. Let's put a... Okay. Alrighty, over and out. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you would like. Again, this is me, Bonnie, over and out. Okay. You can see my turkey is ready. And well, okay, guys. Thanks again for watching Bonnie B. Hawkins Creative TV.